What if you could earn crypto by just sharing your laptop's unused storage or internet? That's the power of decentralized platforms like 3DOS. In this video, I will break down exactly how 3DOS operates, how you can earn from it, how to set it up, and the red flags that you have to avoid. Let's dive in. What is 3DOS? 3DOS is a decentralized operating system running on a blockchain technology. Think of it like a digital economy where users like you contribute spare resources, that is computing power or storage, etc., and get paid in crypto tokens. It's powered by smart contracts on networks like Ethereum or BSC. No central company controls it. Users collectively maintain and profit from it. How does 3DOS work? So, decentralized infrastructure. Instead of relying on Amazon or Google servers, 3DOS uses your idle devices. Contributors earn 3DOS tokens like getting paid in digital shares of the network. From AI rendering to file storage, tasks are distributed across users globally. Think of it in this way. You have data which is unused, that is some bandwidth data on your phone or your computer, and it's unused. By simply sharing that, you are reimbursed with some tokens. Okay, that's how 3DOS works. How do you earn on 3DS? So what you do is, if you have an extra hard drive or a gaming PC, just rent out storage space like Airbnb for data, CPU, GPU power for heavy tasks like AI training, then bandwidth to support decentralized VPNs. You are paid hourly in tokens based on demand. So now let me show you how you set up. An account. So first of all, you will need to click the link in the description section, and after you click it, you will land on this page. So you see, I set it up and things are just running smoothly. I'm doing nothing. Okay, so all I do is every after 24 hours I log back in, I simply claim, and then I refer friends by simply clicking refer to earn, and then you copy let me click here. So the link has been copied. All I would need to do is to paste it in a group so that people are able to click it, and once they successfully join in, I'm reimbursed with some tokens. So now, how do you activate this so that it begins to work? So after you create an account, of course you need to punch in the email address, you create a password, and after you're logged in, for this to begin to work, you need to click here where it reads. If you're doing this on a PC, you will need to click where it reads download extension, and after you download the Chrome extension, you need to log back into the account. You do this. You copy this address here, and after copying the address, you now head on to the Chrome extension that you have actually opened. So let me show you how to go about this. Okay, so and there it is, right? It's running. So I'm gonna click 3DOS network, and then I click login. Then here where it reads enter key, that's where I will punch in that key I copied from the main account, and then click apply, and boom, it's connected, right? You see now, you see that it's showing 105,899, and just like that, you're good to go. So you can copy the referral code, then you also copy the invitation link that you'll be sharing with your friends. So if you found this to be easy, Make sure that you leave a comment in the comment section.